Hi everyone, I'm Askonum, a software engineer at CodeScene. We built the CodeHealth MCP Server because we hit a very real problem. AI can generate code quickly, but it doesn't necessarily generate healthy code. At AI speed, even small issues compound and turn into real problems with just a few iterations. What the CodeHealth MCP Server changes is that it gives a toolset of automated safeguards for any agent or AI coding assistant. One of those tools is CodeHealth Review. You can run CodeHealth Review by telling AI to run it. It will be able to infer exactly what you mean and what MCP tool to trigger for this. The CodeHealth Review is deterministic and will always give you the same exact feedback no matter how good or bad your AI model is, thus being something you can actually really rely on. Here we can see that this example file gives a score of 8.35 out of 10 and has a few issues. I can ask it to fix those issues, then run the CodeHealth Review again until the CodeHealth is 10. Do not add tests. We're not interested in that for now. And that's it. You can actually automate this process as well. So you wouldn't have to constantly manually tell it to do this. You could add these instructions to your generic instructions file, which could be agents.md or claude.md, depending on the AI agent you're using, which would then instruct AI to read that and do it on its own, which would be particularly useful in a agentic programming environment where you're instructing the AI to create something and then it will do that, but it will also ensure that the code health is always 10, making it so that you wouldn't have to go and manually pick apart those things and ask it to fix those changes or manually telling it to run CodeHealth Review and do it that way. Here we can see AI is already modifying the file. It's done a lot of changes here to reduce complexity. We can already see a lot of the nested if statements are gone. It runs the CodeHealth Review again, and now let's see what it gets back. And now the code health score is 10 out of 10 with 0 issues. This is great. There's a few other tools you could run, however, which do the same thing, but in different contexts. There's a pre-commit code health safeguard tool. Now, this will run on all staged changes, but the changes that have not yet been committed. It would be useful to run this before you want to actually commit something to ensure that what you're committing is of high quality. Then we have another tool called Analyze Change Set. Now this allows you to compare your current branch changes to some other branch. For example, your development branch to a master or main branch. This would then review all the files that have been committed or staged in the current branch compared to the main or master branch. It's be good to know if there are degradations or any other issues that have gone worse with your branch. With the combination of all of these tools, you can ensure that the work you're doing is high quality and AI ready. We can see here that the Analyze Change Set ran into a little problem because I didn't tell it what the comparison branch is, so it has to figure that out on its own, but it's completely capable of doing that as well, as we can see here. AI can refactor code, but it doesn't know what actually matters. You get small cosmetic changes, but it misses structural improvements. With the MCP server's toolset, the agent gets a clear baseline with the CodeHealth Review tool, a measurable target, and to assess the outcome with the CodeHealth Score tool, and concrete objective feedback on issues to fix. What we did was give the AI context and CodeHealth insights and an automated inner loop. With the CodeHealth MCP, any AI coding assistant and agent becomes responsible and able to analyze the code, identify real design issues, self-correct, refactor step by step, and actually measure if the code improved. Reassess and doesn't stop until optimal CodeHealth score is reached. That changes everything. In our benchmarks, AI guided by the CodeHealth MCP was able to fix CodeHealth issues 2 to 5 times more than without it. And the behavior shifts completely, from guessing to working toward a clear target. So instead of just generating code, you get an AI that can actually improve a code base.